Sabe wabrega wabe wewe abi enu.
Sabe wabrega wabe wewe.
Bedro ma wayare sabe wabrega wabe wewe yete.
Sabe wabrega wabe wewe.
Mu warero
amewewe jere mafuwe.
Yengu wafuro
amewa oforo mafuwe.
udi wadario
ameyewe jere mafuwe.
wewe bu warero
amewe jere mafuwe.
akira tiena
abi amiwo wabrega gbendo mariare. Sabe wabrega wabe wewe.
alu debe osomi ekwa abi ebi eja kofi kabari obu biaro gara to set to di Orugara in that West local government area of that state. Yegere na twa kpere biyo. Orugara. He attended Okome Primary School. Later Ogarefe Secondary School. Then proceeded to IC Ogara before leaving to Kano. Worked with Patterning Nigeria Limited as a sales representative. Later returned to that state. Worked with Halliburton as a recorder in the year 1992. He joined the National Union of Road Transport Workers and became the chairman in 1994. He was returned on post as the chairman in 1997. He went into politics in 1998 and he was appointed as board of director in the Ministry of Survey, that state. He is presently a part-time student in that state university, Africa, where he reads business administration. Hello, my area. Sabe wabrega wabe wewe iyeta.
Sabe wabrega wabe wewe.
Hello, my area. Sabe wabrega wabe wewe.
Arina mo sabe wabrega wabe wewe.
Ama wefuro
amewa oforo mafuwe.
udi wadario
ameye ojere mafuwe.
ebu wale
amewo ojere mafuwe.
wewe ri sare jibe
amewo wapore mafuwe.
akera tiena
amewo wabrega gbendo mariare. Sabe wabrega wabe wewe.
Currently, he is the chairman managing director, Kabunefe Nigeria Limited. Fuvwe Ventures, Oruma Ife Transport Services, Ife Oruma Farms, Fuvwe Business Center, Fuvwe Drinks, Odelawe Bora Yero Tabale. Mrs. Blessing. Abiyami. Egele la bibi ko ana. His generosity na teko. Wamlere egele na awo premu ayeroye bebe lo ba di de kuori idi ebu igo bi kuori ogaru vasa de premu aye na bi oswai na evangelist obeja yoluwe ka bi kuro begodo ade yeri kwejo Glova bondo kula uye Glova bondo kula uye Glova bondo kubi Glova bondo kula uye Glova bondo kula uye Ami olokwo olokodubo abe okuna dubo abe wamlani o mayale sabi Abiyami o, ewe kolokwo. Wada jege abeji wo kuro. Wada jege abeji wo kuro. He blessed the lion where. Oh you. Odari owe kukuro ebi kukumera wali te Odagi de obo owe rumote Odi ukuro ovole osusuro ni ebi Urhobo ayo kilo buka Abla bloro abada wali no isawari Shombaka no de bisa Igo ete kwene ebu Ikoro di oseke sasa every meeting Mira yo Okiroke Ana rodu ko bali akweje ni obo e ko gba na mo ma Aisha pa mi toto Ikoro wa mo Mr. and Mrs. Isaiah Ajoro Ludo the father and mother-in-law, Chief James, Oladefe Ibori, indomitable leader, and people have asked every day to what he should come here. Ibori beto tana kubale ayokbao. Davere. Ale yeri Manuel Udwaga Senselesi Ade Honorable Halila Gota Ade Yeru Honorable Igombena Honorable Jonathan Were Golden sister, expensive brothers, all staff of Gabunefe and Peace Brothers. Kavero walinde, uyeri rowawe. Emoroga eje wane roka BMI let that young man go. He's a cheerful giver of the highest order. Odari go jayere ri ane nebe. Umadi akikwejo. Yawe double kwe. Sabe wabega, obi wabe. Sabe wabega, obi wabe. Hello, my eyes, sabe wabega, obi wabe. Sabe wabega, obi wabe. Yeah, buare, abe wabe. Yeah, budi wadaru. Buare, abe. Beveru di wadaru. Bakira dia ena.